what I was sure of. You're secretly inside. I'm dying, emotionally violent. So tell me, what the hell am I doing? I don't know. 'Cause when we want it too much, we lose it so fast. What you try to control never seems to last. It feels criminal, hypocritical. But I can change it, the way I'm feeling. I just pretend like I don't even really see it. Yeah, it's all good now, what about forever? Secretly inside, I'm dying, emotionally violent. So tell me, what the hell am I doing? I don't know. 'Cause when we wanted to.
So right now it's gonna be 4. It took me a lot of time to refresh myself. I had one pizza left. We didn't get the lunch, so yeah, that is why I'm having that leftover pizza. In my mind, I knew I'm not gonna get it, so yeah, we were gonna be waiting for dinner obviously. But I do have some snacks. I have some nuts. So basically my coffee bottle got over, so I just fit some nuts in it. And here is my coffee. I'm gonna be eating this first, and then I'm gonna be drinking it with a session of physics for sure, or probably, I don't know what subject, but I'm thinking it's gonna be physics.
We lose it so fast. What you try to control never seems to last. It feels criminal, hypocritical. When I made up my mind, I lose it like that. I thought I knew what I thought I had. It's so cynical, hypocritical. But it's alright. It's alright.
So my notes are not complete, but right now I'm just going to be focusing on studying because we have a lot to study, and here's some snacking as well. Okay, so I'm studying the chapter biomolecules, and actually like I'm revising. I just have like 2-3 pages left to study, like this one and this one. I was actually writing notes for it because I didn't complete it as I started my classes late. That is why it took a lot of time, but I'm gonna be finishing this off, and then I'm gonna go for structural organization in animals. The tissues part is coming, so I'm like I quite know know stuff from that, obviously, because I studied it before. So I'm just gonna like revise it on my laptop. I did not write notes for it again because I already have the PDF, and it's actually really exhausting to write it again, especially when you have a test coming up. Please, whenever you have like a PDF or even your friend's note, please don't write it again. Just start studying. And whenever you get like time, probably like you're watching a series or something, obviously you're most exhausted at that time, which is why you watch series. You can write your notes, but don't take the risk of like, you know, completing the notes and then studying. No, you just study how you can, because don't take risks. Right now it's like 12:50. We're gonna be getting lunch soon at 1, so we're also going to get lunch. And yeah, this is the stuff that I was practicing. This is my wall, and it's something really unique. I've never done this before because I never used to stick things on my wall. Plus, it's a great way to hide all of these wall stains. It looks really bad, but it's a great thing. And I think it's also a great thing to, you know, keep reviewing all the topics, you know, some important points and formulas. And if you're gonna think that I'm gonna throw these away, then that's not true, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove these and stick it in my book, you know, somewhere, because these are obviously important points. Like if you see secondary metabolite and primary one, these two are from biomolecules, and I have written notes for it, but this is something different. So I'm gonna, you know, when I'm gonna like finish studying, I'm gonna pull this out and I'm gonna stick on the book, because obviously we don't like to waste things. So yeah, and then another topic is gonna come up on my wall. And if you see this is something that I want to do, and I think it's a great thing to stick your goals and aspirations, because I have a lot of stuff to do, a lot of question practicing. So I just stuck a sticky note over here showing and giving me pressure that I need to do everything till 3 p.m. Okay, we have tasted this coffee, and honestly the one thing it's missing is ice. Otherwise it's a 10 on 10, and the fact that they don't have availability of ice over here, so that is why we don't have ice. But it is amazing, okay? And I did have some expectations before buying this. It was on a discount and I needed coffee, even though you get Nescafe over here, but that was like pretty expensive. So I was like, you know, let's just get something different this time. And it was from Beany Day, if I'm correct. I'm gonna like type it somewhere if I'm wrong, but I did have expectations that it's gonna be really good, and it's actually good. And okay, coming on to our studying part. So my goal was to study from 5:30 to 8:30. I know already 10 minutes have passed, but we're gonna like start studying right now. We're gonna study for at least 40 minutes, and then we are gonna give some time to revise all of the questions that we have done. So this is what I have done before, and now I'm gonna be continuing to solve more questions, because there are a lot of questions from the assignment, and I'm definitely sure that they're gonna ask something from there. So I'm gonna finish most of the things from the assignment, and then we're gonna like get studying started.